Hi there, everyone. Teresa Dufour here, and welcome to this edition of Live, Work, Play, sponsored by Total Bath Systems. We're chatting with Rich Spitaliere, the General Manager for Total Bath Systems. And Rich, I know you specialize in bathroom renovations. What would you say are some of the common reasons people are looking for an update or a change?
Well, first and foremost, it's the most popular room in the home. People are using it multiple times a day, and they want it updated. They want a bathroom that's friendly to them, whether it's accessibility or just style, design, color, and we're there for them.
Got it. And it's a fairly quick process, too.
It is. We can have the wet space done in one day, a whole bath remodel in a second day.
And would you say now is a good time to start a project like this?
Absolutely, for a few reasons. First and foremost, this is the slower time of year for interior renovations, and this is when the customer could get the best possible pricing.
Right. And how does a bathroom remodel increase or change the value of your home?
So it not only increases the value, it makes it more saleable. What we have is three things that you need when you purchase a home. It would be a good roof, a good heating system, and a good bathroom.
Sure.
Most people are taking the last pennies out of their pockets to purchase a home and can't even do a renovation for 2 or 3 years down the road. So not only do we offer, again, it makes it easier to sell, but it's also practical. And then the warranty is also transferable to the next owner.
Oh, it's a big deal. Very good. Rich, thanks so much for all the information. And again, those remodels happen fairly quickly in a day or two. And if you are looking to spruce up your bathroom and give it a new look, contact Total Bath Systems at totalbathsystems.com. And as always, we want to thank you so much for joining us for this edition of Live, Work, Play. I'm Teresa Dufour, and we'll see you next time.